Welcome to Flexopus, the state-of-the-art desk-sharing app, proudly made and hosted in Germany. Let's see how easy it is to book a workstation, meeting room, or parking spot with Flexopus. First, you choose your booking type. You can even book remote work. In the next step, you select the date and time or even a series booking for multiple days. Now you see a visual floor plan with available objects in the selected time frame. With various filter options, you can easily find the perfect desk for you. And that is how easily you book a desk with Flexopus in just 4 steps. But Flexopus can do even more. You can search for colleagues, special equipment, or first aiders. You can create a booking for an external guest. Or you can get an easy overview of the current and future bookings with the Office Live map. Let's see what the admin section has to offer. Flexopus adapts to your individual needs with various admin features. Flexopus is 100% GDPR compliant. All data is stored on servers hosted in Germany. Furthermore, you are able to customize settings for data privacy and ID security. In the global settings, you can adjust your booking preferences. For example, you can define for how many following days users can book an object. You can activate the check-in feature or guest bookings. Flexopus offers smart analytics that provide live utilization statistics and a heat map, giving you essential data to optimize your office. You can define what users see and what they can do. Manage bookings and users with customizable rules and access control. Organize your buildings and create individual floor plans using our own self-service map editor. Flexopus offers a wide range of integrations. We support single sign-on with Microsoft, Google, and other identity providers. We are also fully integrated into Microsoft Teams and Outlook via Microsoft Exchange Online. The Flexopus digital signage add-on allows you to display room bookings on a device in front of your meeting room, or to use Flexopus as a kiosk system for ad hoc bookings. But that's not all. Want to know more? Get in touch with us.